Today, we will be testing a momentum trading indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a momentum trading indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 556 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a momentum trading indicator. And so the source video says the ultimate free momentum trading tool. And so the source video obviously is pretty straight to the point, nothing too wild as far as the claims go. You could debate on whether or not it's a ultimate momentum trading tool or not. I guess ultimately, no pun intended, that would be determined by what kind of win rate you can get out of this indicator, or how you can use it possibly with an existing strategy as far as helping to get a little bit more confluence, something along those lines. And so, as far as the title goes, like I said, pretty straightforward, nothing too wild. So the indicator that we have on screen is called the Step Channel Momentum Trend Indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And everything stays on the default settings. The setup on this is pretty easy. Basically, we have a channel type indicator. It steps very similar to, I'm going to say maybe it's the Donjon channel, if I'm not mistaken. Can't remember exactly what channel it is, but there's another one that steps very similar to this here. I believe it's one that the turtle traders used, possibly. Trying to dig back into the memory banks. Nonetheless, you can see basically we have this channel. We have an upper band, a lower band, and then this middle line here. And that middle line is a shifting color, obviously, to help to identify the specific trend direction. And you can see here, for a short trade example, we get the shift in the coloration of the line to red. A red candle is formed, and you can see here that it tells us momentum down. And that would be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade right here, put our stop just right above kind of the pivot area formed right here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see we get this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit rather quickly. And for a long trade, what we were looking for is that shift in the coloration of the line to green. And you see that we get a green candle right here, and it says momentum up right here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. Put our trade right here, put our stop just right below this pivot area here, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Now, one thing that you will notice before we play this one forward, what you might need to do is go up here to the indicator, click on the 3 dots there, go to the visual order, and bring it to the front for it to display the bar coloration. You see that if I hover over right here, you can see that the bars aren't colored anymore. If I pull off of that area, you can see now the bars are colored. And so What you might see when you first add it to the screen is something like this here without the bar coloration, and there's no way to turn it off and on in the settings. And so again, just go up here, 3 dots, and go to the visual order and bring it to the front, and the coloration of the bar should appear. All right, let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, you can see this nice steady climb to the upside just like before, getting us to our take profit rather quickly. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 40% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $12,000. That would have put your total profit and loss at break even, not including any spreads or commissions, and so most likely down a decent little amount. And so was it the ultimate free momentum trading tool? I can't say that is the case in this particular situation. Was it horrible? No. Was it great? Also, no. Again, you might be able to add it to an existing strategy or help build something off of it. That might work well, but as far as a standalone indicator, definitely doesn't seem like it's going to work out extremely well. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 15 trades with the Academy of Forex indicator. We had right at a 79% win rate and a total gain right at $7,200. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's going to do it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.